Welcome to HoodSaintsWorld. Welcome to HoodSaintsWorld. Welcome to HoodSaintsWorld, nigga. What is HoodSaintsWorld? First of all, a Hood Saint is something that defines myself. I made it up. I wanted something that represents me well. And I grew up in Brooklyn, New York. It's a lot of rugged terrain, a lot of rugged people. But also, I was on my spiritual journey and not only finding who the creator is, but getting to know him. And that's why I came up with Hood Saints. And the hood is definitely not only negativity. It's a lot of people in the hood that are beautiful people, big-hearted, funny, hilarious. Some of the most hilarious people I know is from the hood. So that's Hood Saints. And welcome to Hood Saints World, where we are going to explore, we are going to travel. We're going to explore New York City. I am not a professional chef, but I do enjoy chefing it up. So there's going to be a lot of cooking videos, and it's going to be some food reviews. It's going to be a whole lot of stuff. So if you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel, because when this channel grows, it's going to be way bigger content, way better content. Like I said, I'm only exploring New York City right now, but once this thing start clicking and clacking and producing some goddamn US currency, we can go to different cities in America. We could go to different goddamn countries in the world, and we can explore that shit through a point of view of a hood nigga from Brooklyn. You heard? Let's get this shit, boy. Y'all niggas think this shit is a game. This is gonna be the next newest, biggest channel ever, nigga. Hood Saints World, welcome to Hood Saints World. And I am delighted to have y'all here. Please subscribe, and share this video, share all these videos, and just become part of the family. I'm gonna start making merch soon. So the merch is gonna be high quality, lit. What else? Man, just sit down and watch. And don't forget to go to my shorts. I'm trying to release a short every day, a long video. I don't know what's the schedule on my videos, but I'm gonna keep you updated, all right? And yeah, I'm just doing a little cardio right now, trying to slim down. I got some music coming out for the ladies, so I'm trying to show my nipples this summer, you heard? So yeah, welcome to Hood Saints World, man. And my name is Trey Hood. And yeah, so y'all gonna join me as I try to be a rapper. Well, try to be a successful rapper. And just follow me on my journey as I build this page, and we can travel, we can eat. We about to do it all. And these woods, I'm gonna explore these woods in a later episode. But we're gonna be exploring in these motherfucking woods. Best believe that. Alright? So yeah, man, I'm excited. Are y'all excited? I'm excited to have y'all here, man. Welcome to Hood Saints World. And enjoy yourself. Scroll up, scroll down.